What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a different way to make money in meme coins because most people are doing it wrong. A lot of people in this space are actually trading meme coins, but a bunch of people are actually sleeping on deving meme coins because deving meme coins has made me hundreds and thousands of dollars in the past couple of months, and a bunch of big KOLs are actually switching to deving, bro. If you want something that actually makes sense and that can be repeated over and over again, stay with me. I will walk you through the exact deving strategy into this video. I do not trade meme coins anymore, I launched them instead, and that's why my Phantom wallet has over $8.2 million. Let me show you how this strategy works step by step. Now, most people lose a lot of money in meme coins because they try to trade them. They buy in, and sooner or later, well, guess what? The dev cashes out on their fucking head. And that's why seasoned traders and top KOLs are shifting to deving. It's simply because trading is really fucking hard and is not profitable anymore. But deving though, it's low risk, high reward, and genuinely it's fun. But when you trade meme coins, bro, you are handing out your money to the devs of these coins. That is why, okay, when you launch a coin, you become the dev and you control everything from start to finish. And deving is simple. You launch, you let buyers buy in, and traders flow in naturally, and when you are ready to exit, you take out your entire position and you are up generational. Deving is a new meta right now because it costs literally $0 to create a meme coin on chain. That is exactly how I built my entire portfolio from start to finish. So keep watching, bro, because in today's video, I'm about to show you exactly how to launch your very first Solana meme coin and potentially turn $0 into whatever the fuck you want. Keep watching. When someone plans their first meme coin launch, the platform they always think of is Pump.Fun. That's the most obvious choice. It's the most recognizable name, so it feels like the most safest option, but that's the trap and that's the fucking mistake. Pump.Fun is overcrowded. New tokens go live constantly and most of them fade out almost immediately. If you are still launching there, bro, you are not progressing, you are just stuck in place. And on top of that, Pump.Fun controls the liquidity setup and takes a slice of the creator fees that you were supposed to profit. So from the start, you were giving up control of your own launch. As a dev, okay, the real goal is getting your coin in front of random buyers and to make it migrate right here, where real volume and serious traders are active to buy your meme coin. On Pump.Fun, reaching that stage will require $85,000 in market cap, which is more on luck than on execution. That's why I made the switch to create coins.io, because this launchpad removes all the barriers and your token is deployed directly onto Radium from day one, skipping the bonding curve, skipping the whole migration phase, so it hits active traders instantly and gives you a clear edge to a bunch of people. And most importantly, bro, you retain full control of your liquidity. That's exactly why this launchpad stays under the radar. Now let me show you how to launch a coin on this launchpad. Now, there are two ways to create a token on this platform, and which one you use depends on how you want to play it. The first option is building a coin from the ground up. Now, this starts with the idea. You need a narrative that people already care about. So, jump on X, right? Scroll on Reddit, check on Google News, right here, like news, right on these articles, and look for a narrative that is trending. Okay, anything works, a viral tweet, a political headline, a meme that is blowing up, anything that has attention. Once you've got that angle, head back to createcoins.io, come up with a quick name, choose a quick symbol, add a quick logo, hit confirm next, whatever the fuck, right? And your custom token is live. Now, if you're looking for the quickest and the highest probability route, there's another option, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now, these tokens are already exploding with activity and pulling non-stop buyers on Pump.Fun right now, which means the hype in these coins and the narrative is proven. The traffic is real and everything is going insane. So instead of starting from zero, you are tapping straight into momentum that's already moving. You are copying a coin and you are guaranteeing yourself some buyers. Bro, I'm not going to lie, copying coins is a cheat code. Anyways, let's keep it moving and let's actually copy a coin live on camera, and I will show you guys how much I make after this launch. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected. Click on refresh to have all the new coins pop up to your eyes and just copy one coin. I'm going to be copying the Dodo coin. It looks good, it looks kind of decent, right? I just chose this coin randomly. Click on create coin. Make sure to ignore the block from Phantom. Every single person is going to get this block. Click on proceed, confirm I understand, then click on confirm, and then the coin will be copied shortly. Just wait, then boom. Let me go on SoScan to prove to you guys that it's actually legit. Everything works. It's devved onto the Solana blockchain, and now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking easy. We are just adding our liquidity here. This is what turns your token into a real market on the Radium DEX, where people can actually start trading your coin once it's live, okay? Pump.Fun does not give you guys the option right here, okay? Only this launchpad and other launchpads, right? Now for the token A, click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens of the supply inside your coin for the public, right? Right under for the amount token B, this is your initial buy into your own coin. You are not losing that soul. It is just locked temporarily to open the pool. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and once the liquidity is removed later, that soul comes straight back to you, okay? So we have nothing to lose, okay? It's just the first buy. I will be putting 0.31 soul, just a bit more to be safe, 0.32. Click on create pool, and then click on confirm. Once that is done, bro, click on the refresh button down below, then simply scroll down and boom, the Dodo coin is now live. Okay, you have all the metrics right here and your profits will show up right here. And if you click on the refresh button to officially check your profits in real time, okay, whenever you want, you guys can see that we are up $120 because multiple people are buying in our coin directly on the Radium DEX. Now, click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. Now the coin is live, okay, we're already up like a couple $100. Okay, it's already pumping already, $75, $70. People are selling, but it's normal, okay? There is going to be retracements. Now this is why I love diving coins, okay? You get results on the spot, whether your coin is good or not, okay? You guys can see here, we're already up like $200, $300, maybe even more. I don't even know, bro, because we're making money from the creator fees on Pump.Fun, and we are making money from our supply that we actually own because of the first buy, right? 1.7k market cap, things are looking good. And now I will be giving you this coin some time for it to pump, right? Let the coin marinate, okay? And when I am back, we will be cashing out our profits. Alright guys, I am back and we are pushing 10k in market cap, which is absolutely insane. It has been around, I would say, 3 to 5 minutes, right? And look at the chart. It's absolutely exploding. The liquidity is high. Everything is looking good. We are making money, bro, left and right. Anyways, come back to createcoins.io real quick. And obviously, bro, click on the famous refresh button. And as you guys can see, bro, our profits are at $1.6 thousand, which is not too shabby, right? Considering that it has been a couple minutes. Anyways, when you are ready to cash out, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money from the coin. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 13 Solana. Click on confirm after. And bang, ladies and gentlemen, bro, we just made a quick bag, all from deving one singular coin. Now if I open my wallet without cutting anything, boom, okay, I am fully transparent. I just received the payout instantly, bro. This is why I love this website, because bro, you get the payout instantly, unlike Pump.Fun. Anyways, bro, tap in, bro, join my Telegram group down below, join my Discord. And if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and join my Telegram and obviously my Discord for more information. Good luck, bro, to everyone. Yeah.